Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hospitality Lounge. Today I want to take you somewhere different. Imagine checking into a hotel with no front desk staff, ordering a cocktail with no bartenders, and getting your room cleaned by a robot. This isn't a sense of a sci-fi movie. This is already happening in a real hotels across the world, from Tokyo to Prague, New York to Dubai. So here's the big question: are robots replacing people in hospitality, or are they simply helping hotels do their job better? Let's take a closer look inside their rooms, behind the bars, and down to hallways where hospitality meets automation. Why hotels are using robots? Let's start with the why. The hotel industry has always been about people serving people, but the model is under pressure. We have seen global labor shortages, especially after the COVID time. Operating costs are up, guest expectations are rising, and the demand for the contactless service has changed how guests think about convenience. Robots offer a solution to some of those challenges. They can work 24/7, reduce physical strain on human staff, and maintain consistency standards. They don't need breaks, and they never forget a request. But here is the nuance. Most hotels are not using robots to eliminate jobs, they are using them to automate repetitive, time-consuming tasks so that their human teams can focus on what really matters: connection, creativity, and problem-solving. And sometimes robots are just a great way to impress tech-savvy guests. Let's start with one of the most fascinating use cases: the hotel bar. In some hotels, you don't talk to the bartender anymore. You tap your drink, order on a screen, and a robot arm mix your cocktail. No chit-chat, no delays. One stand-up example in Marker in Prague. It features two robotic arms named Tony and Bruno. You pick your drink from a digital menu or even customize your own, and a robot do it the rest. They spin, shake, pour, and garnish. And they do it in front of a crowd that's always filming. It's a part service, part entertainment. And let's be honest, it's pretty cool to watch. But here's what's missing. Tony and Bruno don't ask how your flight was. They don't make a small talks. They don't remember your usual. So while robot bartenders are efficient and fun, they remove one of the most important things in hospitality: personality. And that raises a bigger question: how much automation is too much? Now robots aren't just checking cocktails, they are also showing up all across the hotel operation. Front desk, self-service kiosks are everywhere. Some hotels even use AI-powered concierges. Take Hilton's Connie, for example. Built with IBM Watson, Connie can answer questions about the hotel, suggest local attractions, and even help guests navigate the property, all through voice interaction. Need an extra towel or a midnight snack? Some hotels use delivery bots like Relay. It navigates the hotel on its own, take the elevator, and drop the item right to your room without waking you up or expecting a tip. In housekeeping, we are seeing floor cleaning robots, linen transportation bots, and smart trolleys. They reduce the physical burden on staff, cut down turnaround time, and ensure consistency. All of this helps hotel operating more smoothly, especially when they are short-staffed. But here's the key: these robots aren't replacing teams, they are supporting them. Okay, time to answer the big question head-on. Are hotel robots replacing staff? The short answer: not really. The real answer: it depends on how they are used. In a smart, forward-thinking hotel, robots handle what I call silent work, the kind of job that don't require emotional intelligence. Vacuuming 200 meters of a hallway, delivering extra towels, answering the same question 40 times a day. that frees up human staff to kind of work that creates real value. The kind of work robots still don't do, dealing with a frustrated guest, remembering returning visitors, recommending a hidden cafe or a quiet park based on your mood. In fact, many hotels are hiring new roles like robot operators and automation supervisor. So in some cases, robots aren't replacing people, they are creating new jobs. But yes, if automation is only used to cut the costs and the human touch disappears, everyone loses. Now, what do guests actually think? Some love it, they find robots futuristic, fun and efficient. They share video online, they appreciate their speed. Others, not so much, they find it cold. They miss the human smile, the warm welcome, and the unscripted moments. There are actually a generational trend here. Younger travelers are more open to heavy tech hotels. Older guests tend to want to traditional human experience. But the best experience, they are usually a blend of both technology that works and people who care. So where is this all going? Not toward a fully robotic future, but toward hybrid hospitality, a space where robots do their repetitive, invisible works and humans focus on empathy, storytelling, and guest care. Imagine this: a robot delivers your luggage, but a staff member is there to welcome you by name. A robot makes your drink, but a bartender still suggests a twist to match your mood. This isn't the end of hospitality, it's a new chapter, one where the most successful hotels aren't most high-tech, but the ones who knows how to balance innovation with emotion, because in the end, technology might improve the service, but it is still humans who make it feel like home. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful or interesting, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more behind the scenes looks at hospitality, aviation, and the future of service. And I'd love to hear from you. Would you like to be comfortable in a fully automated hotel, or do you still want that human connection? Drop your truth in the comments section. See you next one. Bye bye.